Can I install the custom document vertical tabs, extension for Visual Studio 2019? The custom document extension is only available for Visual Studio 2017. Is there a way to install it for Visual Studio 2019? Specifically, I only care about the vertical tabs feature. As of the time of writing this question, the current version of Visual Studio 19 is 16.0.0 and the current version of the custom document extension is 15.06.
Update number 2. Vertical tabs are out of preview and are now officially part of Visual Studio 2019 v16.4. Update number 1. The new vertical document tabs feature is part of Visual Studio 2019 version 16.4 preview 2. There is also a dedicated blog post. Original answer. Download custom.dequel.6. Unzip the file, for example rename it to custom.dequel.6.zip, and extract the contents. Download the workaround, extension.manifest, non-raw page. The only change is that the upper bound of the installation target version has been removed. Replace the original, extension.manifest, with the workaround file. Download the workaround, manifest.json, non-raw page. The only change is the SHA-256 extension.manifest has been recalculated. Replace the original, manifest.json, with the workaround file. Zip the contents into a new, custom.dequel.zip. Important, make sure the root of the zip file is at the level of extension.manifest and manifest.json, as well as the other files and folders. The root of the zip file should not be a folder named custom.dequel. Rename to custom.dequel.6. Run the 6 file. If you don't get any errors, you'll still get a warning when you open Visual Studio 2019. The extension will still work. The Learn More link explains more. The settings are under Tools and GT, Options and GT, Productivity Power Tools and GT, Custom Document Errors. If you get an error, it's likely that the SHA-256 of extension.manifest is incorrect. You can try calculating it on your own. PowerShell has get file hash and putting it in manifest.json.
For this workaround to work with Versus 16.1, just click Allow Synchronous Auto Load in the warning banner and restart Versus. It will allow the use of the deprecated Sync APIS until the feature comes built in. For those who have hidden the banner, check this option, Options/Environment/Extensions/Allow Synchronous Auto Load of Extensions.
In addition to Andrew Keto's answer, after step 4, in extension.manifest in the section Add. Or update the max version. I've recalculate the SHA-265 for the manifest.json at this URL and replaced it with the SHA-265 code for extension.manifest.
This answer is a copy of Sergey Vlasov's comment. Go to his website and follow the instructions. You can download a ready-to-use custom document well installer for Versus 2019 with these changes from my site. This URL, Sergey Vlasov, July 27 at 13:28.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.